I mean, definitely, like right now we have 4 squash courts, and I would be very happy if we could get a gym alongside with a fitness trainer. You know, we have this ground already right next to the squash court, and we can build like a holistic facility where one not only plays squash but actually trains to be a professional, which includes fitness outside of the squash courts and all the facilities like that. I think it's a message for parents more than kids, because kids are always willing to play. But I would like parents to like even motivate their kids to play even more and play seriously for the state, for the country. It's all possible if you keep like pushing for it.
मैं तो यही बोलना चाहूँगा कि आज का जो खुशी महसूस कर रहे हैं वो आज बता नहीं सकते, क्योंकि इतना सालों से हम मेहनत किए हैं वो आज दिख रहा है, और हमने बताया था कि गोल्ड लाएंगे, वो हमारा मेहनत आज दिखा।
So I feel very proud, certainly, and it looks like the effort for last almost 15 years has come to a good conclusion. I won't say conclusion, a wrong word to use, because it's just a beginning, a new beginning. What is the most important is first ever tournament in Goa, and Goa is won gold. So that's the most proud thing for all of us, because there's so much of support. It's like a payback, in first installment of payback.
Pursue sports.
That's right.
A lot of people sometimes hold their children back. What is your message to them?
Honestly speaking, it is like that the last scene of Titanic. You have to jump without knowing where you are going to fall, and you're going to win. And that leap of faith you have to take. And even if you're not successful, don't reach anywhere, you'll always come out winner. You'll always have something good out of it. Because when we started without knowing where it's going to take us. Like as I said, people say why not tennis? There's more than tennis. I said it's not that how it works. But as we started squash, we came to know that there are colleges who give you scholarships, and the game is good. It's an energetic game, so that matching needs to happen. And like a growing parent, you will let your children do 100 things to know what is good at.